How to hide Instagram chats. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to hide Instagram chats. First, open the Instagram app and tap the messages icon in the bottom to open your direct messages. Next, select the chat you want to hide. Once you're inside the conversation, tap the person's profile name at the top of the screen. Then tap Options and choose Restrict. Confirm the action if prompted. Once the account is restricted, the chat will be removed from your primary inbox and moved to your message requests. The other person also won't be able to see when you're online or whether you've read their messages. To find the hidden conversation later, go back to your inbox, tap Requests, and switch to All Requests if needed. You'll see the restricted chat there, and you can still read the messages. If you want to reply or move the chat back to your main inbox, simply open the conversation and tap Unrestrict. The chat will return to your normal inbox, and you can continue messaging as usual. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick Instagram tips and step-by-step tutorials.